some plastic bag holders. Okay, let's get started.
I have a purple material. It is not organza or satin, it is between. It has a little bit green, a little bit shiny. And we're gonna start with measuring in two pieces. This one piece, and I'm gonna fold over to one piece, just like this. What we're gonna do is first gonna make some tunnel for my elastic down here, here, and here, and up. That's gonna first what I do. Okay, made some tunnel. Here comes my elastic in, and when I close this, it will wrinkle just like this, hold up, just like this. Okay, we're gonna do it the same on the other side. I can also untunnel there, and I'll be back. So I made also a strip from the same material, because I have this, I wanna use this. Just like this. I'm gonna sew it up, sewing it up, and I'm gonna use the same on the another end. I had the strips. What I did, I sewed them on the line on this size and on the line on the other sides. When I close it, I'm sewing my up from the other sides, not from the good side but the wrong side. Can sew up. Don't see where you got your elastic on. This what you're gonna do is gonna sew it up from here. Leave this open. Gonna sew it up until the end, but not where the elastic is going in. this size. We're gonna see when we're gonna do it now. Okay. Now you can see this is the end, and this end is open. This is where the elastic is going in, and if I turn it around, it's inside out. You'll see. Now we can close this up. Just like this. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna pull some elastic inside, and we're gonna just close this up just like this, and the end and here we closed up, and then it's all done. Okay, so we're gonna turn this again inside out. We have here elastic. Okay. The end was open. Put them inside. We're almost to the end. Yeah, there it is. Now you can see what we're gonna do is we're gonna, you can see how close you want to do. and I'm gonna sew this up just like here. Cut this up. Now you can see what I did. When I turn it inside out, how beautiful it is. Now we're gonna do the same to the other sides, and I'll be back. We'll finish it on both sides to see what the stick is inside here. Made also hanging point here, and this is the finishing product. When we use the plastic bags, we're gonna put them here, and we're gonna fill it up. You can hang this up, fill it, and you can that's it.
The end product, you can see it's very long. I made some strips here to hold them. You can measure it up. If you feel it's full, you can open this just like this. And made also here on the holder, you can fit it somewhere up. Made also another one that I did it off camera. Made this one just like the same plastic holder, but I make them a little bit funnier, just like a shirt. You can see same idea but different. Okay, if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe downstairs. I see you in the next time. Bye.